Hi, it's Steve from Fast Bikes Magazine. We're here today with Lauren. Lauren works for Eazi-Grip. What we've done is we've brought one of our long-term test bikes down. They're going to be applying their new Eazi-Guard Stone Chip Protection. So Lauren, tell me a little bit about Eazi-Grip.
So Eazi-Grip was founded in 2012. We started with polyurethane tank grips. We then progressed to polyurethane stone chip protection, which is our Eazi-Guard today, and we're going to be here showing you how easy it is to fit.
So when you order Eazi-Guard, this is obviously what you get through the post. Can you just explain what you get in there?
So in your tube you get your stone chip protection kit. You have your instructions, which takes you through a step-by-step guide. You've got the Eazi-Grip wipes to clean the bike. You've got the squeegees, which helps apply the product to the bike. Our Eazi-Guard solution, which you add a bit of water to, it helps with the adhesive stick. And we've also got a bigger diagram to help you realise which pieces are for what place.
Now looking at that, it looks quite difficult to apply, is it?
It's not difficult, it's meant to be a home installation product. It's all segmented pieces, so it's not actually a wrap for a motorbike, which people may think, so it is made to be fitted at home. And we've got Chris here who's designed all of our Eazi-Guard products to give you an example of how to fit it, and you might be able to have a go yourself as well to show how easy it is.
Okay. So Lauren, we've got Chris applying Eazi-Guard to the bike. Can you just talk me through the process?
So first of all, he'll select the piece that he requires. He'll then spray with the solution onto the piece and then onto the bike as well. He'll fit the piece. It might not go on perfect, but you can move it around. You can also use a squeegee to squeeze the water solution out to the bottom of the piece, and then once it's fitted, you leave it for 24 hours until you can go out on the bike.
So you do lay it on, it's not stuck permanently then, you can move it around?
If a mistake's made, you can remove it. That's why it's so easy to fit, because you can remove it, spray it again as many times as you like.
Just as I needed to?
Yeah.
Why do we need Eazi-Guard?
So whether if you ride on the road or on track days, you're inevitably going to get damage to your fairings from debris from the roads or stone chips. So Eazi-Guard protects from that, and it also is self-healing, so any stones that do hit the bike, the properties of polyurethane disperse that, and then the damage is barely none.
So what sets you apart from your competitors?
We're the only company that manufactures kits exclusively for motorbikes. Everything has been designed in-house, so if there's any issues or any information that you require, you can call up and speak to people who've designed the kits, produced the kits and manufactured the kits in-house.
Okay, and you produce kits for all types of bikes?
Yeah, we produce for the majority of the new models. Any models that we don't cover, we have standard universal kits, a large and a standard, which you can cut yourself.
Right, okay, I'm going to have a go just to show you how easy it is.
Firstly, with the solution, squirt the back of the material with the adhesive showing.
Okay.
Then you want to do the same to the bit where the piece is applied. Right, once that's done, put the piece on the surface. Yep. Yep.
Well, that moves quite easy, doesn't it?
Yeah. And now, with the squeegee, you begin to push the solution to the edges. Just at first, nice and gentle, just slowly letting the solution go to the edges, creep out. As the piece begins to dry, you'll suddenly find it starts to sort of yield to its position.
Right, and I noticed this, obviously, this is the gloss finish. Do you do any other finishes?
Yeah, we also do matte. That's perfect for, see, matte paint works, carbon, looks really nice on that, so yeah, that is also available. One of the benefits of Eazi-Guard is that you can actually peel it off, refit it again, as many times as you need to, as long as it's not stuck to the bike complete. So as long as you just respray the surface.
So just respray this?
Yep.
Respray the bike?
Yep.
And just apply straight back on?
Yep, as easy as that.
So do you have any professional riders that use this product?
Yeah, we have a couple. Dean Harrison actually won the senior TT this year with Silicon Engineering. He's a big user of our product.
It's exactly the same product?
Yeah, exact same product, just on his bike.
Nothing special?
No, exact same material as you're applying here.
There we go. It is easy. Thanks for showing us the products and how easy it is to apply. Where can we purchase one?
So we've got a website which is www.eazi-grip.com, which has all our information about our Eazi-Guard and also our tank grips. We've also got an eBay site which is Eazi-Grip tank grips as well.
So what we'll do as well is we'll put a link below the video, click on the link and you can buy an Eazi-Guard.